Everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that in 2025, in the month of December, how you can download and how you can install the Visual Studio Code. So the new update of Visual Studio Code. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can download the updated Visual Studio Code and how you can install it. So first of all, go to Visual Studio Code website. There's code.visualstudio.com/download. Then download the Windows file option. Click on the Windows 1011. Then it will automatically start downloaded the Visual Studio Code file. So as you can see, it has started the Visual Studio Code file. So after downloading the Visual Studio Code file, simply click right button of the computer and click as open. Then click on I accept the agreement. Then click on next. Then click on next. Then click on next. Then click on next and click on install. Okay, so the installation has been started. So this is the Visual Studio Code documentation. As you can see, the features: code in any language, base version control, debugging, testing, code anywhere, videos. Top extensions are Python, C++, GitHub Pilot, extension pack for Java. So the installation process is ongoing. It has been now finished. Then the Visual Studio Code automatically open. Okay, so this is the business Visual Studio Code. So if you want to create a project, for example, I want to open the project from the desktop project and select folder, then click on index.html. I have already a index.html. So if you want to make it a live server, you can go to extension file, then search live server. Say, as you can see, it has already been installed. I have already installed it. So if you want to see this website live, so what you can do, click right button of the page and open with live server. As you can see, the website is now live. If you update anything, for example, ptag and lorem 10. As you can see, control save. Now go to the, as you can see, the new line has been added automatically, so it is live. So this is how you can install and download the Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching.